Hello there, welcome to the NYDA ERP tutorials. My name is Timakato Masiteng, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to register a profile on the NYDA portal. Well, first thing first, on your smart device, whether it's a cell phone, tablet, laptop, or a desktop, you need to go to your web browser and key in the portal's address, which is erp.nyda.gov.za. Alternatively, you can access the portal directly from the NYDA website, which is www.nyda.gov.za. This is the website. Once you are at the website, you can click on the ERP portal, which will redirect you to the actual portal. Once you are there, you'll be presented with different menu items. The one that we are interested in for today's tutorial is the register menu item. You will click on the register menu item and then you'll be presented with two options. In this tutorial, we will be covering a scenario of a young person that wishes to apply for different products and services within the NYDA. So we will go ahead and select the first option, which is the youth network. You will then be presented with the registration form. You will need to complete it. Please ensure that as you complete your registration form, make sure that you enter correct details, right? For an example, when you enter your email address, make sure that the standard of casing that you use to capture it here, you must also remember it, because should you forget your password, should you try to log in at the later stage, you will need to use the same standard as your username. Of course, we do have our call center, which can assist you with resetting your password. But just to make things easier for you, please just remember the standard of the email address that you are using. So if you use camel case, when you log in, use camel case. If you use lowercase, when you log in, use lowercase, right? And from there, complete the rest of the form, your cell phone number, so that the NYDA can be able to reach you. ID number is also important. The system will not allow you to proceed without an ID number. And then just to give you an example, if you are outside the age group, the system will also not allow you to proceed. So you need to be under the age of 35 in order to register for our portal. The rest of the information, which product are you interested in? And then just remember, guys, that at this point, you are not applying for an actual service. You are just registering for a profile. From there, you will then select your geographical location from the rural areas. So I'll select rural area. And then from which province am I from? I will say I'm from Limpopo. In Limpopo, you will notice that I can now skip district and go and choose a municipality. I need to choose a district first. And then from choosing a district, I will get municipalities which are under that particular district. So I'm from Sekhukhune in Elias Motsoaledi municipality. And then from there, I will select my preferred branch, my closest branch in Limpopo. And then my closest branch in this regard is Sekhukhune branch. From there, I will key in my physical address and also my inquiry. Please, before submitting your form, ensure that you then read our terms and conditions as well as the POPIA disclaimer. Once you have went through the terms and conditions, or the disclaimer rather, you can then come back. I have clicked on the submit button. I will then get this confirmation message on my screen.